Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error. Okay, now the first method is to simply check if you have any drivers for your GPU. So it mainly depends on whether you are using AMD or NVIDIA. So here in my case, I have NVIDIA. So what I should do is to simply go and open GeForce now. Then if I have any updates for the GPU, in my case, I have the graphics card 3050, RTX 3050. I'll just check for any drivers. Then once you check for the drivers, just download it and install it. And after that, you can try to see if the issue is fixed or not, or you can simply jump into the next step. The next step is to simply go to your search bar, then search for settings, go to update and security, Windows update, then check if you have any updates to your system. Now that was the second one. The third one is to simply go and open Steam and make sure you have the latest update on Steam. This method is actually working on any game. So I'm gonna just take this game for example. I'll just right click on it, then click on properties, and here you have here this section, general. You'll have just to type DX12 or DX11 or even D3D11, D3D12. And this will convert the DirectX that is used in the launching system. So let's say that you have typed 12 in the end, this will run it on DirectX 12. But if you type 11, this will launch it with DirectX 11. But you should just type this code. Now, the last thing that you can actually do is to go to installed files, then click on verify integrity of game files, and this will also help fix your issue. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.